Yeah. Uh, to go through that particular Cisco site, we need to go through, right? Type here in such a way that is NetAcad, right? NetAcad. Okay. Just go to enter and you will get in such a way that Cisco Networking Academy, right? Just click there, right? Automatically it will takes to a page such as like this, right? Cisco Networking Academy, empowering all people with career possibilities. Just at the last, go here, right? Login, right? Login. Just here we have option in such a way, login, right? Just click there. It will take to the page, right? In such a way we have to give your username, right? We have to give your username over here. Just your username is nothing but your email id, right? gmail.com. Yeah, it's perfect. And also then you will get something called password, right? Then you just give your password over here, right? That such as I have already told, the password is created in such a manner. It should be as words, uppercase, and also numbers, and also a special characteristic, right? Yeah. Yeah. After giving your password, it will take yeah. See here. After going through your page, after taking that particular site to, I mean, this particular site takes to this particular page right now here, right? See here, you will get this particular box, right? The first box, what you are seeing here, MRIT 002, right? 11th May to 11th June, right? See here, after going through this I mean, after going through this particular page, if there is a empty page, right? Just go here, right? My NetAcad, I am teaching or learning. You people are quite learning, right? Just make a click here, right? Learning. Because right now I am not learning over here, right? But you people are so I mean, you people are learning something, right? Automatically, for me it is nothing but teaching. That's what I'm going for, teaching. But you people go to something called option as learning, right? Then after clicking here, I am learning, you will get this particular box over here, right? Just go here and make such as launch course. See here, we have something called launch course, right? Just go and click there, launch course. It will takes to a page such as, yeah, it was the specific page it will take, right? See here, we have something called home, modules, discussions, grade, assignments, and also collaborations, quizzes, etc, 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 right? Just go and just see such a way, launch course. Go and click here, launch course, see, right? While I am moving the cursor over there, it is our launch course, right? Just go and click there. Yeah. After clicking there, it will get such a way like this, right? I mean, it is nothing but your background. It's your wish, right? Choose a background over here, right? Okay, I am clicking here. It is the background, right? See here, we have some chapters over here, right? Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, up to chapter 11. right? How many chapters we have? 11 chapters, right? Chapter 1 to, I mean, chapter 0 is nothing but just it is an introduction, okay? The main, the chapters are nothing but we have 11 chapters over here. For every chapter, we people have some exams, right? Just if you need to practice chapter 1, just go and click there, right? We have see session, introduction, right? After then, welcome. It will, yeah, exploring the network, right? After clicking over there, you will get the data, right? What you need to study, right? Which I mean with a diagram also, right? After then, see here, we people have here, right? Forward and backward. Just click over there, right? Just click over there, right? It is the particular case, right? I mean, see here, we have something called 1.1.1, 1.1.1.1 also, right? Just click over there, right? I mean, when you need, see here, we have something called video lectures also, right? Over here. We have the video lectures also. Yeah?
Welcome. Welcome to Brain.
It is a specificness. I mean, after completion of your study, you can make here. You can click here, right? See here, into, right? Just click over here, and what you need, just you need to. I mean, if you interested on chapter 2, if you interested in chapter 3, just go there and just click over there. See here, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.1. After then, we have some subtopics over there, right? Again here 4.1.1, again we have some subtopics, right? Yeah, in this way you have to study and you have to go. If you need to go for your home page, right? See here, we have something called return to class, right? Just go and click there. Return to class. Again, you have came for this particular home page itself, right? If you, I mean, here we have some assignments, right? Where, I mean, assignments is nothing but we can say it as examinations, right? Exams, right? See here, I am clicking on assignments over here, right? When I am clicking on the assignments, automatically, see here, we will get some chapters, right? Chapter 1 exam, chapter 2 exam, chapter 3 exam, chapter 4, chapter up to chapter 11, because we have something called chapters, 11 chapters, right? Automatically we have 11 exams also. I mean, a exam per a chapter, right? And also after completion of these particular 11 chapters, we have something called final exam, right? We have something called final exam, right? I mean, after conducting all these 11 chapters, right? After then, we have something called a final exam, right? Which have 100 points over here. You can see here, which has 100 points. I mean, each exam has 100 points, right? See here, chapter 1 exam, chapter 2 exam, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. These particular exam, what we seeing here, chapter 6, PT practicing skills, right? It is not required, okay? And also for, yeah, only this, it is not required, because you have writing the chapter 6 exam also, I mean, theoretically, right? Yeah. Automatically, after completion of these particular 11 chapters, you need to write these particular final exam. Before the final exam, you have to give the feedback here, right? You have to give the feedback over here, right? After giving feedback only, these exam will be enabled, right? I mean, after giving the student feedback, this particular final exam is enabled, right? Yeah, see here. And also, if you people want to write the exam, just go and click over there, right? Chapter 1 exam. Okay, for me it is not coming because I am quite something called I am teaching, right? I am not practicing, right? I mean, I am not learning, right? We people have to give some assignments to you, right? I mean, we have to, I mean, we people have to enable the activation, right? Exams for you people, right? Okay. For you people, it will get in such a way that here you people will get, right, such as exam, right? I mean, chapter 1 exam is enabled. You will get in such a way, just you go for the assignments over like here. On the assignments, go for the chapter 1 examinations. Then you have to click in such a way that here in this page you will get an option in such a way that in such a way we can call it as start exam, or the chapter 1 exam is enabled, right? Just go and click over there, automatically your exam will be started. Okay, that was the case. Just go through it, right? Yeah, again, if you need to go to your main page, see here my NetAcad, right? Just go and click over there, right? Automatically if I got here my NetAcad teaching or learning, right? Just if you want to log out, see here at the corner we have something called right, your name will be indicated over here, and just over click there and you can log out from there, right? It is the case. Okay, thank you.